Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my project pan update for the month of April. I gotta admit, I'm excited with the progress, the usage goals. I mean, I didn't empty anything, but I felt like I made some progress and I felt like I made very consistent usage out of all of my products this month. But let's get into it, starting with the item that I rolled in last month, and that is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. For the first month of use, I used this a total of 12 times. 2 of those weeks, this was the item, the primer that was in my shop, my stash, so I think that had a lot to do with my usage. Overall, I'm not mad at it. I'm having a hard time telling exactly where I'm at. I'm like trying to peek through some of the settling down of it, but I think I'm about right there. I feel like I could probably finish this by the end of summer. I am excited about it. I am happy for the first month of use. I'm happy that I rolled this in and I am enjoying this. And then the next item I didn't get to mark, but I actually used it more than I have been, and then that is the Molly eyeshadow stick. And my goal is to finish this. My goal was to finish the primer as well. And I actually used this a total of 10 times this month. It didn't mark, but I know I've been using it. I've been using it a lot as an all over lid color. I've used it on my inner corner, which I do count those two as separate uses, and I used it on my lower lash line, so I think maybe some of that might be the inner corner. Counting that as an use is like not near as much usage as if I were to put it all over my eyes, but I am enjoying using it. It was nice to be able to just use it again. This is my, what I'm calling my problem product this year, and I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I'm also doing a eyeshadow project pan, which should possibly be the video going up after this. So stay tuned, but I am enjoying this. It's just, it seems to not be going as quickly as I would like it. After that, we've got my CoverGirl Skin Milk. My goal is to use this 50 times. I used this a total of 10 times this month, which is about the goal that I want to be at, which means I've got 19 uses left. I felt like the progress was good this month. Could I realistically hit my goal by the coming month? Possibly. However, I don't feel like that's realistic because my average is 8 to 10 uses per month, so I can almost guarantee that it will be done in the next 2 months, but I don't feel like, though a possibility if I really did use it every day I wear makeup, I feel like this will definitely be done in 2 months for sure. Next, we've got my ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Too Cool for School. I used this a total of 9 times this month, and I'm actually very happy with the progress. I'm starting to see side pan on it, which I am very happy to see. I've been wearing it a good, like most of the days I wear makeup, probably about 2 out of 3 days of makeup wearing, I'm using it, so I'm actually very, very happy with the progress. After that, we've got the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow Highlighter, and I am panning the diamond side. And again, I feel like I made a lot of progress on this month. I did use it 9 times, which is again my goal each month, 8 to 10 uses per item. I definitely feel like I'm hitting more side pan. Again, I feel like I could probably finish this by the end of summer, so I'm actually really happy with that progress. Then we've got the Becca lip liner. I only used this a total of 7 times this month. I didn't wear it as much as I have in previous months, but I feel like the progress is still pretty good on it. It's a very thin line, but again, I feel like I was consistent with it, and I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I would like to use it a little bit more because I would like to get this done this year. And then finally, this last item I had a hard time marking because once again, it wore off, and I'm kind of guessing, but I know I'm at the very end there somewhere. I only used the lip gloss 4 times this month, which if I want to realistically finish this sooner rather than later, I'd like to use it more. Again, I'm not really interested in using lip gloss, but I am determined to finish this, so I'd like to finish this, roll it out, and then roll something else in its place. And that is my project pan. Could I have made more progress? Yes, but I am very happy with the consistency of the uses this month. Everything right around the same amount of uses, so I'm pretty happy. Again, 8 to 10 uses, which is for the most part where I stayed. So again, stay tuned for my eyeshadow project pan. If you are new here, my name is Machaela. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. But if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.